Okay, so this clip I'm going to do like a real time. I'm not going to do so often cutting, because I think it's easy process and everyone can do it home. Okay, this insert type is no need to use the small pin to inject to the seal of the glue. So I'm going to glue around the surface all around. This is my style, and when I glue it one side, I'm going to attach it, and I will keep patient on myself to hold like this about 1 or 2 minutes. I'm okay, but if you don't have much patience, you can use some clamp, but you have to be sure that you have a clamp and try fitting it before you're going to put the glue, and your work gonna be good. There will be no mess up of the glue mark around your knob. So let's get started. Glue on the, yeah, it's like that. I know it. For me, I didn't squeeze much the glue tube, because I know some brand the liquid is quite liquid, just like this. Yeah, and now it's quite ready. I'm going to close it first. Yes, it's good that I try to drop here first, then it's not messed up on my work. Just like that. When you attach it like this already, try not to use hand to rip, because the excess glue will dirt on your pieces, and I think it's not so good idea. And after I hold like this for some 3 minutes, I'm counting time on my cell phone now, and after I will glue more on the back side to make it sure and secure on the tight. Yeah, just hold like this for 3 minutes. I'm very patient guy. Ha ha ha. Okay everyone, and now it's about 5 minutes already passed. The two piece works start to connect together, but I'm sure that it's not permanently now, because it will take, for every super glue is written that it will be like 1 minute, but actually it's better to leave like overnight, from my experience, to make it very hard dry. So my next step is I'm going to flip on the back part of the piece, and then I will glue all around the clack part behind with a bit more big drop of the glue, and I will just leave it overnight, which is mean in the very when it's morning, the glue will dry perfectly, and it will be very strong, and it will be hard, and it's very good to use. Same in the car, as is already cracked like two pieces. So let's do it. So try to see the crack part, and then I just drag the back big drop. I'm not sure that the camera will see it more enough or no, but it's just like that. Yeah. It's gonna be good. Yeah. And then I have some more crack parts, but it's not separate, but I'm going to glue too. You may see the light a little bit here in the top, yeah? I'm going to work it in one time. inside also. But inside I'm not going to add much because I'm afraid that maybe when I put it back to the panel it will stuck. Yeah, that's it. So as you may see, and now my procedure is I'm going to leave it overnight, and tomorrow let's fit it on the panel together.